Hello and welcome to Technologicals again. Today we're going to try, let's put emphasis on try, to install the Spikster panel. This is their GitHub. They advertise it as a brilliant panel, so we just paste the command as I just did. I've sped this up. This actually took 8 minutes to install in total. There were no errors when installing it. But yeah, they say that this is a really good looking panel system that does email and everything else and websites really well and everything. My experience isn't too good. I think it needs to be needs to be heavily worked on. But I'll show you what's there. It looks nice and everything, but you can't seem to change your passwords. You can't seem to do a lot of things. So yeah, it needs a fair bit of work on this. Hopefully, well, they're still kind of working on it. Last commit was about 2 months ago, so we will see. But yeah, just after it installs, it gives you the login details, which is a fairly easy to guess login and password, and you don't seem to be able to change it. So it's super secure, honestly. So yeah, we just log in. The writing colour seems to be really off as well. You can hardly see what you're writing in these input boxes. I'm not going to bother saving that. Now we're in the panel now. It's a nice menu system and everything else, but yeah, as you see here, there's no way to edit your account, so you can't change your password or anything. All you've got is a delete option, which isn't very handy. Servers, you just go into this one and it just shows you some graphs. Looks all very nice, and you can restart some services here and look at the log files, and you can put in your system details, select your PHP version here, and then sites. Nothing much going on there. And settings, nothing much really going on here. Nice looking panel. Shame that you can't do a lot of stuff on it. But I thought I'd do a video on it anyway. Fail videos, I suppose, are just as good as success ones. But at this point, I would recommend Cyber Panel or AA Panel, but I'd recommend Cyber Panel over AA Panel at the moment. I'm using that, and I'll do a video of me, where I've used it for a month or so. I'm finding it very handy. Right, so we'll just put in some details here and see what happens. Yeah, it's just not very handy. At least you can see what you're inputting here. So yeah, you'll see that if you do I'll put the IP in. Just got to remember it's one of my servers. Yeah, and if anyone wants a dedicated server, I've got quite a few. I co-locate in Telehouse in London. All these servers that I'm doing all these on are all mine. They're owned by me and everything else, and they've got brilliant cross-links in Telehouse in London. I'll be offering affordable UK dedicated servers soon. So yeah, let me know if you're interested. As you know, if you go back to my Halloween video, from there we the horror quiz, and I was on November the 5th, I'm gonna pick someone, randomly. Well, I'll get the computer to pick someone randomly who will win a month's free dedicated server in Telehouse in London. It should have 64 gigs RAM, should have dual CPUs, should have about 16 terabytes of storage. Probably 1 gig unlimited connection, but I might throw in a 10 gig connection. So have a look at our horror quiz. Anyway, we'll look back to this. It didn't seem to save the site details or anything earlier, which is a bit strange. Add this new site here, and this can't. Let's see if we can change the password here, but again, it's it's just a very strange. You know, you can't see your font that you're typing. You can't see the colour of the font you're typing. Yeah, it's just not very user friendly in this bit. Yeah, so yeah, it's not user friendly at all. Save. Do one of my random passwords there. And yeah, nothing comes up to say it's saved or anything. You've got no notifications that things are working very well here. So yeah, I'm not not sure on this panel. You know, as I said, they need to work on it. That's the thing. You know, it all looks nice and lovely, but the functionality here is non-existent at the moment. Let's just try and do a save again. Again, no notification. It's reckon you can't change that as well. My VPS, and it's not a VPS. It's one of my dedicated servers. See, it didn't save any of the info I put in earlier. Oh, sorry, the dog's in here, bloody snoring again. Yeah, it's a Great Dane, and yeah, she's lovely, but she snores. She's fast asleep. So I'll just put this in again, but it just doesn't seem to be saving it. So yeah, there you go. Stop the dog from snoring for a minute. I wish they wouldn't sleep in the studio with me. They love me, but yeah, this is the problem. When you have loving doggos, they want to be with you all the time. Right, so we put in this here again, but it doesn't save it again. Again, no notification that anything has happened. So we go manage servers again. We'll have a look. Yeah, see, it didn't save it. So we go sites. We'll add a new site in a minute. Yep, still having a look. You still can't change the users. Just have a look at the login details here again. There's nothing that we've missed. So yeah, not sure what we're meant to be doing here now, really. Do news sites. We'll put up. We'll just do test.tech.logicals.uk. Yeah, that's the new domain name as well. Of course, we've got linuxtoolbox.sh domain name now. So yeah, we've got some nice domain names to set things up on. I do confirm here, and oh, it seems to have done something here. Let's zoom out. I don't know what this download 3 minutes means. Nothing seems to happen. Yeah, nothing at all. I mean, I've sped it up here a bit. Just waited for 5 minutes and nothing has happened whatsoever. So I'm not even sure what that bit there is for, to be honest. So, alright, so that says it's there. At least that saves some information. Let's have a look in here. Not many options again. Generate SSL. Don't know whether that did anything. Who knows? Oh, it's got a WordPress manager down here. Let's see if this works. Just do that. Just put /. Username with GTM, and then do a random password again. So, yeah. Oh, my phone. Okay, back again. That was a hospital offering me another emergency operation, so that's handy. Yeah, if you didn't know, I've got a few health problems that have cropped up, and yeah, I've got lymphoma, which is basically cancer. That they're looking to see if I've got a secondary one now. It's early stage, so I'll be okay. I actually feel okay at the moment, but yeah, let's just have a look at this. Oh, there was an error putting the WordPress manager in. So there's a MySQL error there, so something didn't set up properly. And we'll just have a look. There's nothing, literally nothing else we can press here. Let's see if the site works. What was it? Just yeah. There's not much to do here, really, is there? Still can't change anything. Nothing's changed. There's a surprise. Nothing hidden there. Nope. It's just delete. Just delete. Okay. Yeah, I just changed some DNS there, so I can have a look at our site in a minute. Just gone back. Let's try an SSL again. I know that that's set up in the DNS, and nothing comes up. Yay! Right. Let's see if we can. Let's see if anything gets shown. Right, well, we've got not found, but it has got an SSL certificate, so it's working kind of, but there's no content. Well, I'm not sure what to say about this control panel, really. It needs some work, let's put it that way. Yeah, it looks nice. Obviously, some functionality's there, but a lot of it is missing. Some notifications that things have updated would be nice. Way to change the password and everything would be nice. And where's the email and stuff that they promised? It is just not there at all. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to say about this one, but yeah.
Techlogicals.